One side is normally tighter. So this is my tightest spot. Yeah. So again, yeah. The structure of the bottom leg easy to practice. Yeah, because definitely, yeah, you should have built that flexibility and strength already at this stage. All right. But what I want to share is the action of the thigh bones and the hips. Yeah, breathing in, everything to midline. Like that. That's it. Don't want to be dumping, otherwise the lower back will absorb the pressure. Yeah, breathing in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Roll the arm bones back and up. Exhale. Elbows scoop back and up. And right. Opposite. Right. Yeah. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. All right. External now. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. All right. Feel light already. All right. Preparing the knee. Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. All right. Now let's combine everything. All right. Opposite hand supports. Lean forward gently in front. Breathing in. Don't look behind you. Reach external first. All right. Adjust the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, fold. Exhale. Inhale. Now preparation for the elbow. All right. Other one is sorted. Reach inward. Yeah. Inhale. Yeah. Foot away. Open this spot. Exhale. Loosen. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. All right. The shoulders are open, yeah, front and back, and around the sides. Now we're ready. Right from here. We show the inside of the foot. Yeah, external, but keep lifting up. All right. Preparatory breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. All right. And fin now. Yeah. Halfway through the inhalation, bend the elbow. Lift this forward and up. Inhalation. Rotate. Exhale. Breathing in. Opposite arm to. Exhale. All right. Chest. All right. Breathing in. Breathing out. Listen. Inhale. Exhale. Yeah. That's the action of the shoulder like this. Inhale. Exhale. All right. Breathing in. Elbows hook to midline. Exhale. Loosen. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then you might be holding it. Yeah. To go deeper. All right. Keep the thigh bones strolling inward and up. Yeah. Shoulders, upper back, up, and then roll back. Yeah. Front of the body, forward and up. Throat, forward, up and back. All right. To release, inhale. At the top, loosen, release, inhale, inhale. All right, hands to floor, lean the chest forward, curl the back toes behind. All right, and reset to downward dog. If you're flowing, you can just flow to, for example, put on downward dog position. All right, and both knees to flow. All right, so that's how you prepare the shoulders. Yeah, really doesn't matter. It takes really too long for you to do the position, as long as you practice it safely. You know, you're practicing at home, there's no competition, you have all the time you need, so really practice safely. Yeah, until the next video, one step.